Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Naz with Hijabs and You with another tutorial today. How are you keeping? I hope all of you are doing well. I hope all of you are doing your bit to stay safe. Please do. Anyway, today I've got this beautiful rectangular shawl. I'm going to show you three or four different variations to this hijab style. So please, if you're interested in what I have to show you and you want to know how you can wear your rectangular shawl very quick, very easy, please do stay with me. My dear viewers, let's get right into the tutorial and we're going to show you how I use this simple. It's a beautiful scarf. It's a rectangular shawl. It's not as long. Usually it's a little bit longer. This one is not as long, so we're gonna have to work with it, but it's just beautiful. So let's put this together. And my dear viewers, what I've done today, I'm not wearing a ninja today, and I'm just wearing a cap with a little bit of poof, but this is a little bit of a trick for you sisters who are very concerned about coverage. And what I do normally when my scarf is a little bit short, you know, if I find that I don't have coverage here or I'm not wearing a ninja, I use one of these. It's the 2 pieces of hijab. I'm sure you know about that if you're a hijabi. And I take the longer part of the 2 piece, not the cap, the actual hijab, and I put it around my neck, and I've got coverage. So I'm not worried about my neck showing. It's covered. Yes, and so that's a little bit of a trick for you if you are concerned about your coverage. And please, we should all be concerned about the coverage, but just a little trick for you. So let's put this together very quickly. And I'm going to use a very, very short side because it's not as long and I want to get coverage. So let's go. I'm going to put this hijab to the very end of my cap. Put a bit of pressure here, and this is simple wrap today, very simple, so all of us can use this. And I'm going to just fold just a tiny bit and put a safety pin here. I'm going to use one of these. My dear viewers, the intention today is to show you a simple design that any one of us can use. And I'm going to take the longer side and simply put it here and bring it around. With a bit of a fold, I'm going to just bring it here. Now my first style is I'm just going to leave it in the back, and I'm going to put a stick pin right here. And just pull your pleats, pull the scarf to get your coverage. My dear viewers, look at that. We've got nice coverage. We've done just a simple wrap. We pull it over. And I'm a stickler for things being in place. So just want to make sure that it is in place. Just make sure it's pinned properly. And my dear viewers, there's a trick to pinning this, not having it fall off on you during the day. And what you do is you pin it, you just pin it, taking it into the scarf a few times, not just one straight pin. You just pin it a few times, and so it's not going to be easily, it won't fall out. That's the intention, not to make it fall off from you, from this shawl sometime during the day. And now you can pull this as far as you want to give yourself coverage. See that? And put that up there. And we're going to have that fall nicely in the back. My dear viewers, can you see that? Yeah. And now we've got this really beautiful, elegant, simple, easy, just one wrap. Full coverage, and here you go. How simple is that? My dear viewers, it's simple, it's easy, and it's for you. Sorry, my dear viewers, it's for you sisters that are trying to wanting to wear the hijab, thinking about the hijab, or even for you sisters that are wearing the hijab, just making it simple and easy for all of us. Yes, we're trying to, not every day we can have a fancy style that takes time. We just need, sometimes we need it quick and easy, and this is one, quick and easy. And so we're done with the first style. So now I'm going to show you just the variation to this is just, we'll just take that out from there. Take the stick pin from there. And again, we're going to leave it the same way. And we're going to pull this, just give it a nice loose wrap and bring it just over your shoulder. We're not going to bring it to the front yet. We're just going to leave it over the shoulder and give it that nice look. So you've got, really, it's covered on this shoulder, and the longer side, we're just going to let it sit over here like that. See how nice that is? Simple, easy, and you can, in order to keep that there, what we're going to do is put a stick pin right there. And we're going to use one of the longer ones. And again, like I said, the trick to this is not to just, just put it in. It's put it in, bring it out. Another, do it like 3 times just to keep it snug. You're trying to get the pin in there and keep it snug so it doesn't fall off during the day. And now you've got this really beautiful, flowy looking, it's flowing on the right side, and you've got nice coverage, and there we are. How beautiful is that? It's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And we're trying to make this simple and easy. You can pull it around if you want to. Just, I don't like it. I like it to have a little bit of volume. So pull that and set it up nicely. Make sure, my dear viewers, it has to look neat and proper. And that is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And now we're going to try one more style. We're going to take that pin off of there. And instead of leaving it on the shoulder, we're going to bring it to the front and have it sit in the front. And all you need to do, my dear viewers, is give yourself some volume here, or some room here when you're pulling your scarf around, just so that it's not too tight on you. And making sure your pin is covered here so it doesn't show. And then you just bring that over to the front. It's beautiful, my dear viewers. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, this one in the back that's hanging here, if you don't want that hanging there, all you need to do is push it into your, whatever you're wearing. And then this here, your shawl is, we can fix that up nicely. See? And the other shawl is inside. And you've got coverage. And now we're going to put this in the front and have it sit really nicely here. My dear viewers, look at that. Just sit in the front, not on the shoulder this time. We're going to let it sit. See that? You folded it nicely. You have this as a wrap. And you kind of have a partial coverage. Now, if you want a lot more coverage, all you need to do is pull that. Just pull that. Give yourself a little bit of, in here, we can hang it. There you go. Simple, simple, easy, elegant, beautiful. Now, my dear viewers, for my sisters and like myself who would like to have the full coverage, all we do, instead of having it sit there and falling like that, what we're going to do is we're going to pull it around one of the stick pins, and you just pin it here. And you've got beautiful full coverage. Absolutely beautiful. There's coverage in the back. There's enough shawl in the back. And we've got full coverage in the front. And it's absolutely beautiful, my dear viewers. Simple, easy, elegant. We don't need much. We're just making sure that, make sure that your pleats are nice. It's presentable, my dear viewers. It's got to look nice. And it's got to be respectful. Always, always make sure when you put your shawl on, when you put your scarf on, it's always nice and neat, so that someone looking at you as a hijabi will respect you. That you know what, when someone looks at you, they know whether you have taken the time to put your scarf on or not, or you're just slapping it on. So do as a hijabi, and me as a hijabi, asking you, my sisters, to please make the effort, take the time. And even if you are rushing, you can do this very quickly. Put it on nicely, presentable, and so that when someone looks at you as a hijabi, they're going to respect you. they're not going to look at you and says, well, look at her, she's wearing a hijab, and you know, half of the hair is showing and the neck, the bosom is showing, and you know, you've got short sleeves on. Please, my dear viewers, respect your hijab. This is my plea to you as my sisters and as hijabis, to cover yourself respectfully. Cover yourself with dignity. Take the time to cover, and let this hijab be something that you are so proud of. That when you look at yourself in the mirror, you know that your 𝗙𝗀𝗲 is pleased with you. This is the utmost, should be our intention, that when we put this hijab on, that we are pleasing our Creator, and that He is pleased with us when we put our scarf on. So let's take the time, even 30 seconds is all what it takes, to make sure that it's put in place properly. Your hair is not showing, it's not peeking out, your bosom is not showing, you know, your chest is not showing, so, and you don't have your back showing, you know, this is, please take the time. It's just my little message to you, my sisters. We're hijabis and we're very respectful, because first and foremost, to be hijabi, it's like you have 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗀, or the fear of 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗀, or the love of 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗀 in your heart to be a hijabi. Some of us do it because, you know, okay, it's part of our religion, but you must know why you're wearing it. And it is to cover yourself and to protect yourself, and do it with dignity, do it with pride. I thank you, and I pray that I haven't offended anyone, my dear viewers. I pray that I'm not offending any of you by saying this, because I'm just saying it out of my love for my hijab, and out of my love for you, my sisters, and my viewers, and you. And I'm doing this and saying this because of my love for 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗀, and I want Him to be pleased with me at every moment. And this is what I say to you. I'm sharing it with you, so please take it in a good way, and don't. If you have a comment for me, please leave it at the bottom. Please share your thoughts with me. I appreciate that. And if it's something that's not so pleasing, share it with me so we can discuss it, please. My dear viewers, I hope you've liked the variations I've given you to this shawl today. It's simple, it's easy, very, very easy, very quick. You can use your shawl. It's a rectangular shawl. You can use it and put together all these different looks very quickly and very easily, and with respectfully. Thank you. Thank you for giving me the patience and having the patience to listen to me. I appreciate it. Thank you so much, my dear viewers. Well, my dear viewers, I thank you for the time that you've given me, helping me to build this platform. I do appreciate that. And may 𝗙𝗀𝗲𝗀 bless each and every one of you for helping me to build it so far to where it is. Thank you. Now, my dear viewers, if you have liked what you saw today, please hit the like button and do share it with your friends and family. It's important that we share, because, you know, the more that the sisters get to see this, and they can appreciate the hijab, and they can, you know, get the encouragement to wear the hijab, or get the desire to put the hijab on, it's beneficial for all of us. So please do share it with your friends and family. My dear viewers, like I said, leave a comment for me. I read every one of them, and I appreciate every one of them. So please do leave a comment for me. And my dear viewers, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button. Please press on the bell icon and click off the all. Oh my, I don't know. I'm so excited that, you know. But anyway, just do subscribe to the channel. There's something for all of you there. So until we meet again, it is my duty to advise you to please be safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of your family. Do your bit. COVID-19 is still out there. You know, it's the holiday time, and all of us want to go out there. All of us want to do a bit of shopping. All of us want to, you know, go out there. But it's not the right time to do it. So please do take care of yourself, my dear viewers. Until we meet again, this is Naz saying Assalamu alaikum.